Down on stage, we have this lack of appreciation. Thank you so much for showing your talent with us today. Miss Marisol Roda, are you ready? Miss Marisol Rota, are you ready? Thank you so much, AB Zumba ladies. Now we have another intermission number. We're waiting our candidates for their traditional attire. May I call on Miss Jennifer Galarion. Okay, prepare her music.
Sige, patak, patak.